रेल्वे दोट्टीकरणाक विरोध आसतना लेगीत सरकार लोकांक फटोवन हो प्रकल्प कित्याक हाडपाक सोदता असो प्रस्न गोंयचो एकवट संघटनेचे वांगडी ओविल रॉड्रिगीज हांणी केल्या। रेल्वे दोट्टीकरणाचो विशय न्यायालयांत आसतना RVNL हे काम सुरू कशें दवरूंक शकता असोय प्रस्न तांणी सरकाराक केला। गोंयचो एकवट सरकाराच्या ह्या असंवेदनशीलताये विशीं लोकां मुखार हाडटलो, तशेंच हो प्रकल्प बंद उडोवपाक सरकाराक लायतले अशें तांणी म्हणलां।
Degradation of underwater resources through noise pollution, our heritage houses and others which were newly built along the tracks are being systematically destroyed. Our health is at stake. We have senior citizens all along the route, and we do not understand what is this government here, up to. The matter is sub judice. There are petitions being filed in the High Court. The CEC also gave through the CEC's order, the report, the Supreme Court has also given a verdict in favor of the environmentalists, in favor of Mole, my Mole. And 37 kilometers along the route are, debarred. They are the railway, RVNL cannot construct. So, for whom are they building these double tracks through our villages? This is a big question mark. And we at Goencho Ekvott, we reiterate here that we will not rest until this project is scrapped in its totality.